What is communication? In its most basic form, communication is the exchanging of information. Here's how it works. The sender encodes and sends a message through a communication channel to the recipient. The receiver then decodes and sends feedback, and the cycle continues. There are a number of factors that impact how well our communication is understood by receivers. Individual differences, verbal and nonverbal cues, communication channels, and situational factors. Effective communication, then, can be measured by the mutual understanding of the message. Effective communication is crucial to managers' success for several reasons. First, as you are well aware, communication is part of nearly every aspect of a manager's job. It involves sharing information, teamwork, persuading and negotiating, rewarding good performance, and the list goes on. But it isn't as easy as we might assume. Good communication skills are hard to find, and there are many barriers to effective communication. Ignoring these barriers can seriously impair the process, limiting decision-making and sometimes leading to dangerous consequences. Plus, communication is a complex process and dependent on several factors, such as the receiver of the message and the context in which the message is sent, that are sometimes outside the manager's control. In addition, because managers have a hand in shaping the organizational culture, they can have a significant impact on how others communicate. Fortunately, we can learn how to communicate more effectively in the workplace. Let's learn about verbal and nonverbal cues. Nonverbal communication includes things like gestures, facial expressions, and tone of voice. It accounts for a good portion of any message because we tend to make judgments about it within seconds of perceiving the message. When verbal and nonverbal communication do not align, the receiver may not interpret the message as it was intended. Now let's learn about communication channels and their impact on communication effectiveness. A communication channel is the medium through which a message is carried. There are many different communication channels to choose from, such as face-to-face conversations, email, telephone, text messaging, social media, podcasts, and letters. Selecting the right communication channel is essential to effective communication because the wrong channel can send the wrong message. We'll learn more about selecting the right channel in a later video.